Greetings, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Mighty Line Minute. Today, I want to talk about something that sounds simple, but turned into more frustration than I expected, and that's exterior lighting control, specifically wall-mounted timer switches for porch and driveway lights.
That's a very common upgrade path. Most homeowners start by thinking, set it once and forget it.
A while back, I had an ideal setup. I had an electrician install programmable timers to replace 5 separate exterior light switches that involved my porches and driveway. The idea was simple. No more manual switching, just fully automated control.
Right, those are the more advanced astronomical timers. On paper, they're very impressive.
Exactly. They could be programmed either with fixed on-off schedules or through astronomical settings using latitude, longitude, and date-based calculations that automatically adjusted for daylight savings time.
That's one of the biggest weaknesses. Even short outages can disrupt them.
In reality, I ran into a major issue: power outages. Every time lighting flickered or power went out, the timers would lose synchronization. Some would react to old settings, while others would keep partial or inconsistent programming. Suddenly, my lighting system became unpredictable. I went from fully automated to constantly checking 5 different switches twice a day just to make sure everything was working correctly. Eventually, I decided to go with a simpler approach: push-button wall timers, the kind where you just push a button. 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, or even 12 hours, depending upon the model.
Sometimes simplicity really does win over features.
Today, there are so many options: Woods, Leviton, Lutron, Eden, Enerlights, Torque, SensorWorks, you name it. Some offer 2, 4, 8, and 12-hour presets. Others include intervals like 30 minutes or 1 hour. After reviewing everything, I chose the Leviton DT212. It was simple, clean, easy to install, and honestly just well designed. The button layout made sense, and the appearance matched the rest of my home, and its limited depth fit perfectly into the wall switch box. No programming, no syncing, no worrying about power outages. Just press a button in the evening and walk away. If anyone is doing this themselves, it's worth involving an electrician if you're not familiar with wiring. That includes understanding hot, neutral, load, and ground conductors, and properly verifying power is fully shut off before working. You also want to watch for things like improper grounding or incorrect wire gauge.
That happens more often than people think.
So the takeaway for me was simple. Sometimes the smartest solution isn't the most complicated one. It's the one that actually works reliably day after day. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you again soon on the next episode of Mighty Line Minute.